How to remove rear seat on the Chevy Cruze 2011 to 2016. Use a long solid object for leverage, as the seat is very hard to remove with just your hands. First, pull the front of the seat up to release it from the clips on both sides. Then release the rear clips by pushing the seat back and lifting it up.